Oh, hey, good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday to you. It's Billy Joseph here from Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm coming to you cutting this quick video. It's Saturday here today, but you may be watching this at another time, so that's cool as well. But I wanted to come here, cut this quick video. I love every Saturday reading this post about the success stories that the guys over at Miley System Pro put out every single Saturday. And it's great because it shows entrepreneurs using their system to get results in their business. Totally inspiring. You got to check it out. There's so much good stuff in here. I tell you, you will be inspired if you just read this every Saturday to go out there and take action and go after your dreams and your goals. I won't keep this video long today because my wife is presenting today on financial literacy, and I definitely have to go and support because she's keeping the dream going with entrepreneurship in our household. So I love that, and I wonder where she gets it from. But anyhow, check this out. If you're an entrepreneur, you will love reading this every single Saturday, no matter what business that you're in. But just showing you how to just get results and how to do things that will inspire others as well. God bless you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace. Bye-bye now.